Let's put together this car. We have a spoiler, 2 back wheels, 2 front wheels, side mufflers, an engine, and a ratchet. First, let's start with the engine. Turn it around. Place this pink screw in there. There we go. Close the hood. Place this engine in just like that. Perfect. All right, next let's do the spoiler. Take one of these pink screws, place it in, and there we go. We have the engine and the spoiler done. Next, let's do the side muffler. Let's use our wrench for this. Wrenches are really fun to use. Whee! Nice and tight. How many back wheels are there? 1, 2. Back wheels are bigger on race cars than the front wheels. This is our hubcap. Put it in there. Let's get our wrench to tighten it up. Let's do the other back wheel. All right, how many wheels have we done? 1, 2. How many wheels are left? 1, 2. Good job. Oh, I forgot the screw. Oh, silly me. The tire goes on first. Hubcap, and then the screw. And there we have it, a complete Hot Wheels race car. Bye-bye.